Hey boys and girls, today we're going to be making a circle map about one of the animals we've learned about. So get your circle map out, put it inside of your sheet protector, and let's go. Or you could just draw one on your whiteboard or on your sheet protector. You draw one by drawing a small circle and then a big circle all around it. So in the middle, you're going to draw the animal that you want to write about. So let's see. I want to draw about an octopus. We learned about an octopus. So I'm going to draw an octopus in the middle here. Two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8 legs. There's my octopus. All right. And now around the octopus, I'm going to draw all the things I know about an octopus. So these are all things that describe an octopus. Some things I remember about octopus is that they eat fish. So I'm going to draw a fish. I also remember that they have 8 legs. So I'm going to write the number 8. I also remember that they can squeeze through small spaces. How could I draw that? So I'm going to draw a teeny tiny hole because they'd be able to squeeze through that teeny tiny hole, that small space. What else did we learn about an octopus? We learned that octopus are really clever and they can escape from their tanks. So I'm going to draw a tank. And I'm going to draw an octopus coming out of the tank. Here's the octopus with his arm coming out of the tank. His other arm's down here. So there's an octopus coming out of the tank. Because we know that they're very smart and they know how to escape their tanks. Let's try to think of some other things we learned about an octopus. Another thing we learned about an octopus is that they carry around coconut shells to be their home. So they'll carry these coconut shells and then put themselves inside the coconut shell to keep themselves safe. That's another thing we learned about octopuses. We also learned that octopuses' arms can work and do different things at one time. So we can draw one arm grabbing a fish. We can draw another arm holding a coconut. We can draw another arm just chilling. Another arm over here, maybe that one is grabbing a shell. And then here's its other arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He needs 8. 7, 8 arms. So we learned a lot about an octopus. Now it's your turn to make a circle map. Your circle map can be about an octopus too, or you can make your circle map about any other animal that we've learned about. Maybe you want to do it about horses, or inchworms, or mice, or alligators. It's up to you. You get to pick. And I want you to draw at least 3 things you learned about that animal in the circle map. How many things do you need to draw on your circle map? Yeah, 3. So get to it, boys and girls.